write blogs about healthy recipes on Google Blogger, but now every day thinking about a title and writing the blog content takes a lot of time. And usually I take help of AI. But manually writing blogs with the help of AI is very time consuming task. In that case, I got to know about an amazing automated solution which automatically triggers my workflow every day, generates the content with the help of AI and create it as a new post on my Google Blogger account. You can see on my screen a particular blog which is completely generated by AI and posted automatically with the help of an amazing automation tool. Sounds magical, right? So here on my screen you can see a simple connection that I have built between my AI application and my Google Blogger account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing automation to create a blog post every day without any manual effort. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to create a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To create a workflow completely using AI prompts, select create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, select quick builder. Here we are going to use it and here I'm going to start a fresh chat. It is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says every day my workflow should get triggered. OpenAI should generate blog title and content separately, then share it as a new post on Google Blogger. After analyzing my request, it is asking which schedule Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So let's select schedule workflow. And then it is asking which OpenAI action would you like for generating blog title. So let's select ChatGPT over here. Then again for the OpenAI, we are going to select ChatGPT once again. Then it is asking for a Google Blogger. So we're going to select create a post. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create. And here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. But trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event and it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So as per my use case, I'm going to run this workflow every day. So I'm going to select it and for the time, I'm going to select the time as 12 p.m. You can select it as per your requirement. Let's click on the save and you can see we have received a successful response. That means here I've successfully scheduled my workflow for every day at 12 p.m. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now once it is going to get triggered, I want my AI to generate a blog title as per my niche. So here I'm going to use AI as OpenAI. You can use other AI tools as well such as Gemini or Perplexity AI. So for now we're going to use OpenAI. Here we have selected app and the app event. Let's build a connection. For that we're going to select add a new connection and it is asking for a token. So to get the token, we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, click on this create new secret key, give a name to your key, select the project and click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive an API key. Copy that key and add it over here. Click on the save button and then automatically your account will be connected inside Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for an AI model. So here I'm going to select my model as GPT-5 from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then here it is asking for a prompt. So here I need to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a blog title as per my niche. So let me add it. Alright, I have successfully added my prompt over here, and after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the title generated by AI. With this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after receiving the relevant title through AI, we are going to give this title to this AI tool once again in order to generate a proper blog content. So this time, to build this connection, we are going to select an existing connection because we have already connected our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in our previous action step. So here for the model, again I'm going to select it as GPT-5. You can select it as per your requirement. And here for the prompt, I'm going to add a new prompt for the blog content. Let me add it. So this is a new relevant prompt that I've added where I add some instructions and the detail as generated blog title. So here instead of entering the blog title manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new title through my OpenAI step, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we're going to map the title generated by AI. So this is the title. Now let's click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the complete blog post generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. After generating the blog content, we are going to share it as a new post on our Google Blogger account. For that, we are going to build a new connection over here, and we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then we're going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a blog ID. So here in my Google Blogger account, you can see my blog ID is my blog. I'm going to select the same from the drop down, and for the title, I'm going to map the title generated by AI. This is the title, and for the content, we are going to map the content generated by AI. So this is the content. Let's move forward. It is asking for a status. So I'm going to select it as live, and it is asking is draft. For that, we're going to select no because my status is live over here. Then here these fields are not required ones. So we're going to leave them blank, and we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new blog post on our Google Blogger account. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new blog post has been shared over here. Let's view it, and this is the entire blog generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So I've selected my trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and my action as OpenAI twice and Google Blogger, so that every day at a specific time this automation is going to get triggered. OpenAI is going to generate the content and title for my blog post and then share it as a new post on my Google Blogger account. So these were the very simple steps to how to generate and publish your blog post using AI. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.